Hey guys, if you're new here, I'm April. I'm a skincare and cosmetic chemist. I talk about all things skincare, back end, front end of all things skincare. But today we're going to be talking about more of the news on skincare. Anyway, be sure to subscribe if you're interested in science-based skincare. Like the video, subscribe, join the family. We're here every week, talking about skincare. Alright, you guys have heard the news. Estee Lauder now owns The Ordinary, or most of it. And this could mean many things, okay? We're going to talk about the good and the bad, okay? The good is that Estee Lauder is, a billion-dollar company. They're owned by the Lauders. They've been around for ages. The story of how, the company started is so inspiring. Their mom started from nothing, and her sons just grew the business to what it is today. We love The Ordinary on this channel. I've talked about The Ordinary. I've made multiple videos about The Ordinary on this channel. I've talked relentlessly about their products. I really love that they have made this move. They initially owned 20% stake of the company, but now they own 70% stake of the company at $2.2 billion, which is very, very, very huge. It's the majority of the company. Estee Lauder is a huge company. Estee Lauder, like I said, has been around. They actually own a lot of skincare companies, and I'm going to list a few right here. Big companies do not want to go out of business, so when they notice that your company is doing really well, they will put in a bid for your company, and most times the owners are willing to sell. However, I was listening to a podcast on Breaking Beauty, I believe, and the owner of The Ordinary was on there, Brendan True. I hope I'm saying his last name right. And I remember he didn't really want to sell to Estee Lauder, or I think they were kind of in some type of bidding war, and he just was not into it. A year or so later, he passed away by suicide. I don't know, who knows? I'm not saying anything, but that's just a little shady to me. And then now they own like almost the whole entire company. I don't really want to speak too much on that, but it's just something that I'm like, I guess it's kind of unsettling to me. It's just like, but I know that this business and money business is a very, very, very messy one behind the scenes. We don't really know what really truly occurred behind the scenes, so let's just leave it at that. But like I said, this can be really, really huge for The Ordinary because, when a big brand owns a smaller brand, it means that that smaller company now has access to their R&D team, has access to their research and development, has access to their labs. They pretty much have access to everything that that big company has to offer. One of my coworkers used to work for Coty, which is a huge parent company that actually owns Kylie Cosmetics and a host of other skincare and cosmetic brands. And she said that these companies are like massive. She worked for them, I think, back in the 80s or early 90s, and she said that everything is literally planned out to a T, like months in advance. My company, we don't really plan stuff. It's like literally we're so last minute in my company sometimes. I'm like, oh my god, I hope we don't get in trouble one day with clients. But these companies are very, very detailed. They literally have everything planned out like months and months in advance. Even Mary Kay here in Dallas does the same thing. Just huge companies are very, very meticulous about how they go about projects that they're coming out with and launches and marketing. They're very, very, very strategic with everything that they do. So this can mean really good things about The Ordinary. Now, I know we're worried about the pricing, about the price of The Ordinary going up. I don't think that that's going to happen. I hope not, at least, because that's one of the reasons why we all love The Ordinary. It's very affordable to anyone of any tax bracket. It's just a really affordable skincare line that works, most importantly, right? So I really hope that that's not the case. Do you guys think that they would do that? Please leave a comment below if you think so, but I don't think so, to be honest. I hope not, at least. But I really think that they will do better with the formulations, because I know, or at least I hope, that they take away some of the products that they currently have in the market, like the 100% ascorbic acid and that 30% AHA, BHA. I really hope they take these products off the market. Who knows? Money always comes before a lot of things, so they probably wouldn't. But that's just my wish. I hope that they, do a lot more really deep research to reformulate some products, or just offer even more additional products that consumers will love. Because you guys, as much as The Ordinary is very popular, it's possible that there's another skincare brand or small indie brand waiting to overtake The Ordinary. So I'm sure that they're gonna keep The Ordinary frontline and center of the skincare industry. But yeah, I just wanted to really make this quick video to sort of have a conversation with you guys. What do you guys think will happen with The Ordinary? Do you guys think this is a great merging of the two brands? Do you think Estee Lauder should back off and let The Ordinary be? Or do you guys think that this would take the trajectory of The Ordinary? It's already pretty huge, but do you guys think it would just take it through the roof? Yeah, let's just talk about it. This is more of a conversational video, okay? Kind of wanted to take a step back from my regular type of videos and make a video where we can talk about, sort of the news in the skincare industry, because I feel like I don't do much of that, and I really, really enjoy talking about stuff like this behind the scenes. So I just wanted to talk to you guys as my friends about this and see your opinions on it. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to this channel, and leave me your thoughts and suggestions below. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
It's not for me to say.